Hey guys, I'm Sebastian with Performance Play Sports Care. We're going to cover some sports hernia self-test today. Actually, just one. We're going to go through some range of motion. By doing this, you're going to figure out at least some information about your problem to figure out what's pissing it off, basically. Because if you figure out what makes it worse, you can figure out what makes it better generally within the first couple weeks of experiencing it. So let's do some movement then. So we're going to have Mary Lou just from a seated position here, just go through some ranges. And so sports hernia, by the way, would be right around here typically. We have other videos to describe it in case you're looking for it. Let's have you go ahead and reach back and over and look. Good. And the other way. Reach and look over, look. Now, if you had a problem on the right side, this movement to the opposite side might bother you. Okay? And if you look over the top, usually this will bother either side. But you might find that actually doing stuff like this, like forward, or even like touching your toes, might not be painful at all, okay? And so I can tell you from personal experience of having an abdominal strain, an oblique strain right up around here, there's certain movements really irritated it. And so I don't know if this is the scientific way of going about it, but it makes complete sense to me, and it works with a lot of people's conditions, including sports hernia, is don't pick the scab, okay? And so if you are doing this and it bothers it, don't do that for about a week, and then you can start introducing it again. Even things like a specific tape job around the front side of the abdominal wall can help you restrict that movement, because we want to restrict it so the area can heal up, and then you plug that movement back in. We can also shift load around a little bit, meaning make sure the hips and the shoulders work better so the abdominal area doesn't have to necessarily take as much load. It will do some work and some stretching, but for the most part, the easiest thing is figure out which range bothers you, decrease that range or that movement for about a week, and then start to introduce it again. If you have any problems with this, or if you want some direct help, you can always reach out to us. We are in Orange County, California. We're the locally world famous chiropractors, meaning that if you live somewhere else, you probably don't know who we are, but if you're here, you might know. And you watch this video, so you know now. So info@p2sportscare.com. Subscribe to our channel. In the little button somewhere on the side, there's a search function that pops up if you subscribe, and just put in sports hernia. We have a shit ton of videos in there. It'll help you out to find what you're looking for. We have exercises, stretches, diagnosis, examination, and things like this. So just go through there. There's really good content, and so at the very least, go through and learn as much as you can. And if you need help from us, just let us know.